Hey, it's me, Cesar Rincon, coming to you again. Today is Monday, February the 2nd of 2015. And today's video, I'm going to talk about the critics and the armchair quarterbacks. And because last night was actually the Super Bowl. And even though I don't watch a lot of football, I'm not a huge football fan, I'm not a huge football expert, the talk of the town was the big mistake or the bad call that the Seattle Seahawks made at the very last minute of the game, where they had an opportunity to perhaps win the Super Bowl and go down in history as Super Bowl back-to-back winners, and what many people consider to be the worst play call ever in football history. So a lot of people have been criticizing this call, this play that the coach called for, and I can understand the frustration. I can understand the criticism, because yes, they did have one of the best running backs in the league, if not the best running back in the league, and they had an incredible record of effectiveness in the the red zone, especially in the 1 yard line. But here's the thing. It's easy for people to sit and criticize because they are not in the situation that the coach was in, that the players were in. And it's easy for people to criticize your life and to question your calls, right? Why? Because guess what? It doesn't hurt him. It doesn't help him. Either way, whatever they say, whatever they do is just going to get in your head. But at the end of the day, they're not living your life. Now, my argument today has been that if the coach would have, if the play that ended up with an interception, turning the ball over to the Patriots, and then them winning the game as a result of that, if that play would have been successful, if the receiver, the intended receiver, would have caught the ball, that coach would have been the hero. Would have been like, oh my God, that's a play that nobody expected, and what a brilliant move, and oh my God, they won the Super Bowl. So that's what's happening in your life. Sometimes you are making calls on your own life that may or may not be the right call. Okay? But if you believe that that's the right call, if you believe that you should be moving in that direction, whether it's making a career change, whether it's launching a home-based business, whether it's rejecting a client, whether it's turning down a project, whatever it is, if it's your call, it's okay. It's your call. It's your life. It's your game. So don't worry about what other people might say, because guess what? If you're right, yeah, you're going to be a hero. If you're wrong, they're going to criticize you. So either way, it doesn't matter, because most likely they're not going to have to deal with the results or benefit from the results. So my message for today is, be true to yourself. Do your thing. Play your game. Make your calls and move on in the direction of your dreams. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, want to see some other videos, and you want to learn about the projects that we're developing, please stop by my website at cesarrincon.net. That's CesarRincon.net, or visit thisismyopportunity.com. So make sure to check that out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.